Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the retail sales report yesterday, we saw a big up move on the chart of dollar, and dollar made a high of 104.10. This was the high made by dollar yesterday. Dollar was very bullish, so as a result we saw selling on gold, we saw selling on euro USD and other pairs. You can see here dollar rises to 6-week peak. A strong US retail sales bolster higher rate scenario. US retail sales surge, further boost dollar, persistent US inflation drives up interest rate expectation, dollar gains, yen yuan hit 6-week lows, pound falls after British inflation dips. And again today we have PPI coming up. So today we will get to see some volatility, some crazy moves again. So my dear friends, again be careful during the US session because PPI will again bring some volatility to the market. So first of all, let's talk about DXY. So DXY, after making a low of 104.10, okay, DXY could not cross the resistance zone, and as you can clearly see, it is coming down. So DXY is again back inside the range. So the range of DXY is still the same, 104. Okay, 104 around this level at the top, and we have 102.50, 102.60 at the bottom as support. After PPI, there is a possibility that market may break the resistance and go up as well. Okay, because one thing you should know, that whenever you'll find market testing a particular level 3 times, 4 times, then the level loses its strength. This particular resistance has been tested 3 times already by the market. So as a result, there's a high chance that next time market will break the resistance and go higher. If we look at a support, then support has been tested twice. Okay, support has been tested twice, so there is still validity of the support. So in case market starts falling also, I think 102.50, 102.60 will still be there to provide the support to the market. Okay, and as I have already discussed or mentioned in my earlier videos, that if DXY breaks the present range here, then the next big resistance will be 105.50, and on the other hand we have 100.80. Okay, 100.80 is the support, 105.50 is the resistance for the market. But right now DXY is inside the range. Let's wait and watch how DXY reacts. Enough talk about DXY. Now let's talk about gold. So yesterday when gold break the support of 1843, I was hoping that I would get some nice buying opportunity around 1820, 27, 28 level, but gold bounced from 1830. Okay, gold bounced from 1830 level, and we can see right now that it is standing at 1841. Okay, so for the first resistance, okay, the first resistance will be around 1843 to 1844. Why this resistance? Because this was the previous support of the market, so the previous support will now be acting as resistance. My dear friends, the overall market, if you look at the overall trend of gold, then there is no doubt that overall trend is bullish. So if you're a swing trader, then obviously you should be looking for the market to settle so that you can go for some buying opportunities. But the present trend of gold is very much bearish. Okay, so if you're a day trader, then you should mostly be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, so in this market, when the buyers are weak and sellers are dominating, in this type of market you should mostly be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, so the first level will be around 1843 to 1844. But I would like to mention one thing, that right now dollar looks volatile. Okay, dollar looks volatile. So, and you can see the dollar is coming down with big red candles. So if dollar maintains this volatility, then obviously gold will break 1843.44 as well. See, having a resistance doesn't guarantee us that we will definitely get a sell position. Having a support doesn't guarantee us that we will obviously get a buy position. There is no guarantee in the market. Okay, so after a few hours, when market will hit 1843.44 level, observe, go to DXY and see what DXY is doing. If you see that DXY is still forming red candles, then it is better to avoid sell position in this level. Okay, but on the other hand, if you see that DXY is trying to bounce, okay, if you see DXY has come down to the 50 moving average or something like that and trying to bounce, then you can look for some quick sell opportunity on gold. How do you get the confirmation? You will get the confirmation in the form of price rejection from above. You can switch to 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame will be very slow. You can just switch to 1 hour time frame and see how the market is reacting. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, if you see market is forming shooting star kind of a pattern, you can look for a sell position. Keep in mind, dollar is right now coming down, so look for a profit of 30-40 pips max. Okay, but be careful. On the other hand, if dollar continues the fall, if dollar continues the fall, then obviously gold will break this and you will get the selling opportunity around 1850 level. Okay. Why 1850 level? 1850 is the psychological resistance. The round numbers always act as psychological support resistances, and moreover, if we use the Fibonacci retracement here, we can see that around 1850 around 1860 we also have another resistance. Okay, around 1860. So first resistance is this one, 1843.44, the previous support to act as resistance. Then we have 1850, the psychological resistance. Then we have 1860. Okay, so these are the resistances, and to be honest, okay, 1860 is the only good resistance level where you can look for some good selling opportunities. And in case gold shows a good upside, then obviously you should be looking for buy opportunities after the news. My dear friends, keep in mind that after, during news or after news, market gets very volatile. So when market takes a particular direction after the news, okay, do not try to go against the news, because usually fundamentals always overpower the technicals. Okay, and on the other hand, the support level is still the same, the support of 1828 to 1824. So in case gold comes down, then yes, there's a good possibility that market will take support after news. If gold breaks also the support, do not take a sell position immediately, because 1824.25, this is a very strong support zone from the weekly chart as well. So I think that market will try to bounce from this particular level only. And before news, if market starts falling also, then around 1824.25, okay, that particular support zone, okay, has a very high chance that market will bounce. If market bounces, if you see market taking support, you can go for a buy position. But in case you see that the selling pressure is too high, market is coming down with big red candles, then avoid taking a buy position. But that doesn't mean that you should be looking for sell opportunity as well. Okay, it means that when market will come to 1824.25 level, you should observe the market first on the hourly time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If you see market is forming hammer pattern, market is showing price rejection from below, it means that you can go for a buy position. But on the other hand, if market breaks also 1824 level, observe, okay, because there's a high chance that market will go for some SL hunting and go up again or come up again. To save yourself from stop loss hunting, okay, in major levels like this, okay, it is better to wait for some time. That's why I told you that you should not go for a sell position immediately. Hopefully you got my point. Okay, right now the levels, especially the resistances, are not very clear. The resistance levels that are near to the current market price are not very strong. The good ones are quite far away right now, and support is only one, that is 1824.25. The next support, in case market shows a big drop, then the next support will be around 1788 to 1790. If you have been trading on gold for 1 year or 2 years, then obviously you remember how important 1790 was around 2 years ago. So this is it. Hopefully you got my point. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm also just a trader like you. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care and be careful during news, because the technicals are not a guarantee, 100% guarantee that it will always report. Okay, so there is no 100% guarantee in the market. So please be careful.